I'm doing a wall art project today. It's not going to cost me anything because I already had the stuff lying around at home, and you might also. What's up, my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, consider subscribing for lots more useful videos like this one. You will need these items: drill, brush, wood treatment, glue, cloth, pliers, gloves, sandpaper. We're going to be putting branches and all sorts in these frames. If you've got plastic ones, or you can buy them off eBay, they're just a couple of quid, so cheap to do. We're gonna have so much fun on this project, so let's get started. So we just got to peel this off first. That's one down, two to go. So that's all done. I'm just gonna sand these down a little bit so there's no sharp edges. A 40 grade sandpaper. I'm going to keep one of them with this bit in the middle for my branches, so I can have both layers with branches. I'm just twisting it off with some pliers. These are actually held in with pins, you can see on the side there. Clean that up and get on with the wood dye bit. So for the wood dye bit, I just used some soft material. This one comes on a roll. It's got perforated bits, so you can just rip off how much you need. I've got Colron refined wood dye. This is going to enhance the beauty of this wood. To let this dry, and we're going to go back for a second coat in a bit. For our last frame, we're going to be using some varnish. This is going to take a while to dry, so we've got to be patient with these things. Wait for it all to dry now. I just wanted to wait until nothing was tacky. These ones did dry really quickly. So we're just going to make sure that we've got the holes for hanging them up the right way up. We don't want to do this upside down. And then we're just going to use our leaves. These are the leaves I've got. So I've got this Monstera one. They've got quite thin ends. You might want to cut that bit off and use the thicker part. So, and we've got this gold one. It's actually made out of some sort of fabric. I'm going to stick one in one frame and the other in the other. That's it. It's simple as that. I'm just going to put my holes directly in the middle at the bottom of both these frames. We just want to make sure we don't go through the frame. I'm just doing it by eye, but you can measure it if you want to be exact. And we're just going to put a blodge of glue just in the hole. And a little bit on the end. I'm going to test it without cutting the end of this first. And if it works good, I don't have to cut the end off. As I said, it's floppy now, but when you put it on the wall, the wall's gonna hold it flat. The trickiest one's gonna be our branch one. Okay, I'll show you it properly at the end. My branches, like this was a vine tree, so I'll cut that into loads of little pieces, the size of the top and the bottom of this frame. So we just need to arrange them where we want them now, and then we can get on with gluing it. So this is our end result. Gold frame, gold leaf. Really pleased with the way these came out. And the leaves ain't flopping about at all, so I didn't need to cut that thin bit, which is great. But I do want to fill these in with epoxy resin, maybe with some gold foils and stuff. So video coming up about that soon. I'm not sure if I'm going to be epoxy resin in the branch one, because I really love the bare look of this. Let me know what you think in the comments. Epoxy resin for the branches or not? That's it on this project, guys. I hope you found that useful, and look forward to the next video because there's one coming up very soon. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.